Want to remove the background from your image in just a few seconds using Canva? Today, you will learn how to remove a background in Canva in under a minute. First, log in to your Canva account and click on the Create a Design button. You can choose any size you want depending on your project. Once your blank canvas is ready, click on the Uploads tab from the left-hand panel and upload the image you want to edit. Drag your image onto the canvas and make sure it is selected. Now look at the left menu bar and click on the Background Remover button. Click on it. Canva will process the image and automatically remove the background for you. You will see the transparent background appear, making your subject stand out clearly. If the edges need a little adjustment, use the Erase and Restore brushes to refine the details. Once you are happy with the result, click Save. You can now download the image with a transparent background. Just click the Download button and check the transparent background option before saving. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section.